Listen and practice story. Love is in the air.
Maya loved working at the bakery. Every day she filled the shop with the sweet smell of fresh bread and yummy pastries. One sunny morning, a new customer walked in. His name was Ben, and he had a kind smile and warm brown eyes. Ben came in every day after that, always buying a blueberry muffin. Maya loved chatting with him about their favorite books and funny things they saw during the day. She found herself looking forward to his visits more and more. One day, Ben came in with a bouquet of bright sunflowers. Maya's heart fluttered. "These are for you," Ben said shyly. Maya's cheeks turned pink. "Thank you. They're beautiful," she whispered. From then on, things felt different. Ben helped Maya decorate cakes for the town festival. They laughed together as they sprinkled colourful sprinkles and piped fancy frosting designs. As the sun set, painting the sky in orange and pink hues, Ben took a deep breath and said, "Maya, I really like you." Maya smiled, her heart full of joy. "I like you too, Ben," she replied. The feeling of love filled the bakery, sweeter than any pastry they had ever made. They both knew, right then and there, that something special had begun. Here our story ends. Now, if you had loved this, please like the video so that I can know that my hard work is worth. And comment, how do you feel about this story? And subscribe so that you can get all the notifications. And please, do not forget to share it with your friends.